So, found this tick here climbing up on my leg. Excuse my phone. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn the flash off for a second. Found this tick here climbing on my leg. We're gonna have to remount him to the spark plug. Wherever he went, there he is. But I was going casually just throw him in a fucking candle and watch him squirm his last few seconds of life, but I decided I'd try something new today. Vaporizing him in the combustion chamber of a Kohler K241 tractor engine. So, up on the little end there. You all touched? Okay, in you go, bud. Alright, he's in there. Sorry about my friggin' fat kid breathing there. Can't film and burn a tick alive in the engine combustion chamber all at the same time, but found the guy crawling up my leg. And I hate ticks, but I also have fun torturing the nauseating pricks. So I put him in a sandwich container after he laid on my computer room floor for a little bit. And now he's gonna be turned into global warming. Where the fuck's my key? Helps if I have a key. I don't have that one either. Shit. Alright, sorry about that. We're gonna have to take a detour back upstairs. At least he can reminisce on the time he thought it was a great idea to hop on wherever he hopped on when I was cutting the grass. I do gotta make this quick though. I got work tomorrow. Yeah, I know. A freaking jackass who wrenches on lawnmowers more than focuses on a career and his school. I know. I actually got a summer job. It's moving hay around. But I also got another one. That's wrenching up on someone's old wheel horse. And after that, for that deal, we're going to be getting a surprise toy. Well, it's a surprise to you. I already know what it is. But probably wants choke. Alright, buddy. I condemn thee to the exhaust pipe. Or just carb it on my car. There goes my rattle. Here, we'll just do a little bit of a once over. Okay. I wonder if he's just fucking incinerated on the end of the spark plug. Now I should get a decal that says certified tick killing machine. I've probably sucked a few of them into the friggin' oh yeah, he got turned into carbon right away. Holy shit, that smells. Oh, that burns my eyes too. Oh, burnt tick does not smell good, everybody. I'll be pissed if I actually didn't get him in there, but whether he didn't get in there or he got roasted on the fucking engine head, what's done is done. And, I'm pretty sure all that damn carbon around that just got built up around this fucking spark plug is, what's left of little buddy here. But, mothers, parents, dog owners, cat owners, you don't have to worry about this douchebag being put on your animal's back or your kid's leg or arm or back of their head. Because, I turned one into global warming for you. So, and my tractor had no issue burning him out and had no issue going and vaporizing him and turning him into global warming. Or tickle global warming. See what I did there? No, you didn't. But, yeah. I would ramble a little bit, but I have my first day at my summer job tomorrow. Well, according to the time today. But I figured when I pulled the motherfucker off my leg, that'd be a little bit of a fun time for y'all to hear the Mama JD going. And, hear her run and also do a little bit of fucking extra shit, such as vaporizing a tick after just... Well, I will show you the old spark plug. So the spark plug, I pulled out of it. It looks okay, right? Yeah, not so okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. And even though you didn't see the damn guy shoot out of the fucking muffler. Oh, who knows? Maybe that's him. No, he would have been freaking vaporizing the fucking microparticles. He was put right where the fucking ignition happened. He was right on the end of the friggin' spark tower, I nickname it. It's probably exactly what it's called. Yeah, maybe if it only, when it popped twice and it didn't start right away, maybe if I killed it then, maybe he would have been friggin' solid ash, but no, what is the friggin' moment that thing went and freaking ran for a little bit, he was fucking vaporized. He's probably carbon inside of that cylinder. And after running it for a bit, and if I open the top to inspect it a year after I did the whole thing, if I feel like doing that, and we happen to find a little booger, I'll give him props for staying solid in my fucking combustion chamber. Yeah, he was right in the combustion chamber. I will say, it isn't as climactic as watching it squirm to death on a small piece of pliers as it burns alive, but it is pretty funny wondering how did he vaporize? Did he even get into the cylinder? Well, I suppose I'll find out in the near future. But given how many fucking dead bugs I think I'm looking at on the top of this dang thing, because it is a kind of a grease trap in general, I'm going to assume those little guys and our little buddy here is dead. I'm going to take my leave and rest up for work. Thanks for watching.